How do I parse a string to a float or int? How can I convert a str to float? How can I convert a str to int? For the reverse, see convert integer to string in Python and converting a float to a string without rounding it. Please instead use how can I read inputs as numbers? To close duplicate questions where op received a string from user input and immediately wants to convert it, or was hoping for input, in 3.x, to convert the type automatically.
Python 2 method to check if a string is a float. For the Python 3 version of is_floatc, checking if a string can be converted to float in Python. A longer and more accurate name for this function could be is_convertible_to_float value. What is and is not a float in Python may surprise you. The below unit tests were done using Python 2. Check it that Python 3 has different behavior for what strings are convertible to float. One confounding difference is that any number of interior underscores are now allowed. Float1_3.4 == float 13.4 is true. You think you know what numbers are? You are not so good as you think. Not big surprise. Don't use this code on life-critical software. Catching broad exceptions this way, killing canaries and gobbling the exception creates a tiny chance that a valid floater's string will return false. The float ... line of code can fail for any of 1,000 reasons that have nothing to do with the contents of the string. But if you're writing life-critical software in a duck typing prototype language like Python, then you've got much larger problems.
This is another method which deserves to be mentioned here, as.literal_eval. This can be used for safely evaluating strings containing Python expressions from untrusted sources without the need to parse the values oneself. That is, a safe eval.